Okay, hi everybody. I'm in the Amazon rainforest and I wanted to share with you how much of a magical place this is. I'm a bit sweaty because you get really hot out here. Really hot. I'm dripping with sweat, which isn't good because it attracts the flies, but I want to show you how magic this place is. And I don't want to be too loud because you can actually hear all the fun and games that are going on. This is the Amazon. Here we have this big old tree, one of the biggest trees that they have here in the forest. It's very cool. You can swing from that, some massive roots. Okay. I'm going to do a little bit of walking. I've got my machete. So we can get rid of any spider webs or anything like that. Okay. This is what it's like in the Amazon rainforest. Okay. Go up the stairs. Let's stop again. There you have it, some crazy noises we're hearing out here. Okay, this is it, the Amazon, baby. Okay, so I'm going to go and explore a little bit more up there. Hopefully I'll find something quite interesting. But see you later.